Welcome back to part 3 of building my new workshop. Next step is setting out all the levels ready for building a concrete raft. Instead of wood for the shuttering, I'm going to use block, mainly because I have lots of it spare. The following clips on the video will probably seem overkill for such a small workshop, but if the water system fails, I need to be certain that whatever gets built on here could survive thousands of litres of water being thrown at it in an instant. It's also more complicated because there's a slope of over 300mm from the house to the front wall. But I've come up with a plan and hopefully it should work. I made a simple wood frame just to give me a rough idea of where to lay the blocks and position the rebar for reinforcing the concrete. I must add at this point that the way I installed the rebar is probably nothing like it's supposed to be fixed, but that was down to budget and lack of knowledge on my behalf. It was also at this point that all the hard work started catching up with me. I'd hurt my back and my arm quite bad, so I knew that concreting was going to be very difficult. So I had no choice but to call for help. With the raft finished, next job was to build up to floor level. I've designed it like this because of the sloping driveway, and this way you won't see the concrete when the driveway wall comes down.